Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Cherise, and I'm not Greg. Look, I wore my outfit. Oh my God. I'm like Greg. Oh my God. Okay, so Greg's listening in the background. So today we are going to make a vegan ancho cranberry dip for your holidays. So look, here's the thing, right? So I've seen like the cranberry jalapeno dip recipes going around town, and I thought about it and I was like, that's great, but my family personally, like my Omni family, they aren't spicy people, right? Like I feel like I have to keep doing this. I'm Greg. Like, hello, my titties. Okay. If you didn't see that video, you need to watch that. Shit was hilarious. We dressed as each other for Halloween.
I put a bra on.
Greg put a bra on for those videos. Okay, for that video. So we need to get to 1,000 views, sis. Go check that out. Now, look, not ASMR. So my family doesn't like spicy. So my theory was, let's do a different kind of dip, but like same similarities, you know what I'm saying? So we go on Ancho, you feel me? You know what? Before I get started, PayPal, Patreon, link below. Said it a million times, but like do it, right? Like, like I couldn't do this shit without you guys. So that's linked below. Check it out. Let's jump in. All right, y'all. First thing we need to do is take 2 dried ancho chilies, which, fun fact, ancho chilies are just dried poblanos. Like what? So I snipped the stems off. So we're going to put 2 of those in there, and we're going to just toast them up in a dry pan. So I have it on medium, but I'm just going to like every couple of minutes, like flip them over, make sure they get toasted on all sides. And we're really going to like release the ancho poblano-ness of the chili. You know what I'm saying? All right, so these guys went for about 5 minutes and I didn't push play. So, so make sure then you're gonna wanna add 2 cups of water, which I already did because I didn't push play. Hi, how are you? Oh, you know, don't get me started on hi, how are you? So we're gonna let these go for just another minute or 2. Let them kind of steep, let these anchovies get a little bit more soft. And shout out for these chef tongs to Robbie. You are the best. He hooked me up with some Pampered Chef stuff. I super appreciate that. So we're gonna let this go. Just another like 2 minutes, like 2 minutes. So we let our guys cool off a little bit so we don't like burn ourselves when we're putting it in a blender, you know what I'm saying? All right, so we're gonna put those guys in there, and then we're gonna hand Greg these tongs because I have this in the wrong hand. And then I'm gonna pour our water liquid in. Oh my God, that is beautiful already. So now we're gonna puree the shit out of this, okay? We gonna just keep going and going till we can't go no more. All right, so next thing we need to do is we need to strain our ancho puree. So, Ellie's best to hook a sister up with another nut milk bag. So that's what we're gonna use because it's super glorious and awesome. So I just opened it up, take it out of its little package, and I'm just gonna do it right in the same pan, okay? So now, FYI, if you use my code Midnight Munchies for Ellie's Best Bigger Better Nut Milk Bag, y'all can get 10% off your own Ellie's Best Bigger Better Nut Milk Bag. Which, if you've seen this channel before, sis, you know damn well how often I use this, which is why they sent me another one, because they were like, girl, you been out here making cold brew and oat milk left and right. All right, so now we're just gonna put her together and we just gonna squeeze, because we just want like the water, like we want it nice and smooth for our sauce. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, she's beautiful. Oh, beautiful. So now we got our super smooth ancho sauce. Okay, so to that I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Oh my God, Greg, come on my other side and grab this from me. I only have so many hands. And then I'm also going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar. So of course, as per usual, you guys, if you live in America, your white sugar may be processed with bone char, unless you get organic or like Aldi's brand. Like, don't at me in the comments. And then to that, I'm also going to add a whole bag of fresh cranberries. You can get them at your local Walmart. Okay. So I have this on medium heat, and I'm just gonna like stir this every now and then. And what's gonna happen, if you've seen my regular cranberry sauce video, is these beautiful cranberries are gonna start popping up, and they're all gonna burst. And once they all burst, you're pretty much done. Oh, you guys hearing them starting to pop? They starting to pop. It's like popcorn. I'm sorry being so quiet. It's like my most favorite part of making cranberry sauce. You guys, I'm now an ASMR channel. Except I could never be an ASMR channel. It freaks me out when I talk really loud. I'm sorry, I'm gonna try to ease you into it. Just slowly start getting louder. Don't freak out. Now my voice is getting normal. Now this is starting to be a normal Sharice voice though. I don't know why a couple of my guys didn't pop, but I mean, look at how like, oh my God, look at how thick and viscous she's getting. Okay, so what we gotta do now is we gotta let her cool off. So we're gonna take her off the heat, just let her hang out. She's gonna thicken up even more, and oh my, look, just, oh my God. Next step is we're gonna put 2 containers of vegan cream cheese in a bowl. And again, you all know me, I love Wayfair, but look, I got something so excited to show you. Look at their new packaging. Like, they fucking out here. Okay, Wayfair, not sponsored, but like, here's one of my favorite parts too, is it has the like aluminum foil pushback instead of the plastic. Like, hello, saving the world. Like, I don't know, I think it's so cute. Like the text, and like even on this thing they have the little thing and green. Wayfair, I love you though. So we're just gonna whisk this up just a little bit. We're not like whipping it, but we're gonna just soften it, you know, give it a little soft tits, you know what I'm saying. Now we're going to take out a shallow dish. So ideally, if you had like a clear one, like a clear pie pan situation, that would be cool, because then you can see like on the outside like what's in it. But this is all I have, and this is like, my mama gave this to me. She has one too, because she had one and my grandma had one, and then my grandma passed. I love you, Grandma, R.I.P. Beach. And so now my mom has one and I have one, and I don't know, it's just my favorite. I don't know, judge me, it's my favorite. And so we're going to take our vegan cream cheese, and we're going to slap her in the middle, which, FYI, again, this is another one of my new gadgets from Robbie. Oh my God, I love you so much, girl. And then we're going to spread her around, and like, look, I know this sounds crazy, but this is one of my favorite things, when you like feel the utensil against the ridges. Like, it's nostalgic. Like, I can't even explain it. Just like, do, 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 do. I don't know. It just makes me so happy. Like, it's so stupid, but it makes me so happy. I love this dish. Okay, great. So we're going to spread her around. And then we have our cooled Ancho cranberry sauce. Look at how thick she got. We're just going to pour her right on top. Oh, shit. Who is she? Spread her around. Oh my God. And then if you're fancy like me and you try to take a picture for a thumbnail, then you saved a couple cranberries to put on top for decoration, which also, these things, also Robbie out here. Like, can we just comment below Robbie out here? Because he hooked me up with these cool little like dishes and utensils, and I don't know, I just love it so much. So we're just gonna put a couple on top and be like, oh, Cranberry Beach. You guys. Who is she? Can I do it without it all falling? Sis. Okay, so I already got my cracker going. So let me just grab my crack. Okay, great. So like, look, we got the vegan cream cheese, the Ancho cranberry. Okay, so fun fact, I'm using Ritz, and you might be like, but they have a buttery flavor. How could those be vegan? That buttery flavor is fake as hell. This is vegan. The Ritz are vegan. So, surprise, fun fact. All right, let's just jump in.
She did that.
She did that. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my God. Hello flavor. That shit got that umami, you know what I'm saying? So, oh my God. So you got the like bitterly sweet cranberry, but then you have this like, I'm like looking at it. Then you have this smoky anchovy. Oh my God, please don't eat anchovies. Who am I? Ancho, that smoky ancho flavor that like hits in the back, and then the creaminess of that vegan cream cheese, the crunch of that cracker. Oh my God, I wish I had another cracker to dip in and try it on camera, but I tried it. Oh my God. Wow, that's really good. I can almost guarantee you that this will be the first thing gone at your potluck. Oh my God, this looks so weird. This is a wig, can you tell? Oh, hi, how are you? Ain't got no bangs. Sis, who is she? Okay, great. All right, so for a recipe, as per usual, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share with your friends. Girl, today, I mean, you might not see this till tomorrow, but today is World Vegan Day. Happy World Vegan Day. And there are a million reasons to go vegan. One of, again, a million, look, don't at me, vegans. But one of the main ones in my household is climate change. And we like to align our actions with our words. And we want to save the world from destruction. Hello. And that's a huge reason. Again, a million. Okay, great. A million reasons. But like, happy World Vegan Day. You know what I'm saying? Like, every day should be World Vegan Day. And even if, look, girl, even if you don't want to be vegan all the time, like, hello, meatless Mondays, or like every other day, every other meal, like one meal a fucking day. Like, this feels so weird because it's like so much smaller than my actual hair. Okay, great. But like, there's so many things you can do to like help, like just help. Just like, can we not watch Mother Earth blow up and be like the fucking dinosaurs and shit? You know what I'm saying? All right, I'll catch you next time. I love you. Goodbye.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.